What are basic things you should know about bill of quantity? The survival of any business is heavily depend on the success of commercial management. When it comes to commercial management in construction industry, bill of quantities, B.O.Q, is the term which brings attention of every construction professionals and stakeholders. It is one of the communication tool which connects the parties, client, consultant and contractor, of construction project. Keith defines, B.O.Q is a schedule which categories, details and quantifies the materials and other cost items to be used in construction project. It is important to know that direct costs and indirect costs are to be considered for complete cost of the project, which are covered in different parts of the B.O.Q. Generally, B.O.Q is in tabular form, which contents description, unit, quantity, rate and amount in different columns. Description column provides a brief explanation of what to be done. For example, in the first item, the 32 mm diameter CPVC pipes should be laid for cold water services in 20 bar operating pressure. Specification and drawings are other two important items to be analyzed in detail for clear understanding. Here the term engineer means the consultant for the project. The importance of B.O.Q. B.O.Q shall be used in every phase, pre-contract and post-contract, of the project, but need of B.O.Q differs based on different contract agreements and project. The major usages are listed below. Interpuncted provides basic idea of the project by giving the quantities to tenderers. Interpuncted defines the extent of the work. But it should be identified in line with drawings and specification as well. Interpuncted gives estimated or anticipated contract sum. Very important to client, interpuncted provides a basis for valuation of variation. Variation is to be discussed in detail. Interpunct the major parts of B.O.Q. Interpunct parts of B.O.Q can be varied according to the project size as well the practices. Generally it has measured works, preliminaries and provisional sums. The contract sum would be addition of these three items. Preliminaries. In construction industry, preliminaries is known as the indirect cost for execution of project, but these are the costs which is very much vital for the construction activities. The reason for these costs mentioned separately is it is very difficult to distribute these costs amongst with measured works. The examples for preliminaries listed below. Interpunct charges for performance bond, advance payment guarantee and workman compensation. Interpunct maintenance of the site clean. Interpunct requirement of site office, site stores and staff accommodation. Interpunct cost towards the project management staff, QS, project manager, engineering professionals. Interpunct charges for drawings and safety. From the above-mentioned examples, it can be understood these costs cannot be distributed to work item, but without these expenses there will be no project. Measured works. It is the actual or estimated work will be carried out to complete the project. The works have been measured in different units. They are linear meter, square meter, cubic meter, number, item and etc. Value of measured works will be calculated by multiplication of quantities and rate. Provisional sums. It is the sum which is allocated for the undersigned works at the tender time. It will be adjusted after the execution of the project. In summary, B.O.Q is very much important for the commercial management purposes. It should be understood by every construction professional to deliver a quality and expected product to client. In other words, to provide value for money.